To install an app, click on the Play Store, and in this case we're going to search for 10Play. There we go, and this will allow you to watch programs on channel 10 on your device. Okay, we just go down to install and let it start downloading. There you can see that there. Okay, installing. Once it's installed, you can just open it from here and it'll go online and just open. You'll have to allow the device's location, and then you can just go through and search for your favourite programs. You will see when you go back to the home screen that it will put an icon there, maybe on this next page or maybe on the next page. There it is, 10Play. If you want to move that over to your other page, just touch it and hold it and just move it across, and there we are. We can actually place the icon for it there.